Hi, this is Paul Grant of GridIron Software. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to set up a project with the completely free Flow 2.0 Essential software. What this means is that we can tell Flow what files and folders are considered part of your project. The first thing that I'm going to do is create a new project and give it a name. In Flow, I'm going to click the plus sign in the bottom left corner. This creates a new project to which we can add files and folders. I'll name the project, and if I want to add some essential project details, I can click in here to do that. There are two ways I can add files and folders to a Flow project. The first and most intuitive method is to take files or folders from Finder on the Mac or Explorer on Windows and drag them into the project map. Flow will quickly scan all the files to grab what information it can out of the file. This includes any fonts that are used in an InDesign document, layer names in a Photoshop file, and other useful data that Flow can pull out of the document to show you. The other way to add files and folders to a project, and the method I recommend, is to set up watched folders. A watched folder tells Flow to, watch a folder, and automatically add all of the existing contents of the folder, as well as any files that are added later. I'm going to click the Options button down here at the bottom, and click this button to add a watched folder. I can now select my preferred folders to include in the project. I'm just going to choose one for now, but you can add as many as you'd like. In this menu, you can also choose whether you want file relationships to be tracked outside your watched folders and tell Flow to add those new files to the map or not. Or you can choose whether you want all your assets synced to your free 4 GB of space on Overflow, which is cloud-based asset storage and synchronization for easy file sharing. We talk about Overflow in another video. I'm going to accept the default settings that you see here for now, and then click Apply. You can see Flow's now building out a map based on the watched folder I just included. It's scanning each file in the folder and adding a node to the map to represent that file. Just like that, I have the foundation of my project. Now let's see how we can build this project out a little bit. I'm going to do a bit of standard work on my files. I'm going to copy this Illustrator file that I've made, and I'm going to switch over to Photoshop and paste it in. With the magical power of Photoshop scripts, I'll make some really quick adjustments to my layers. I'm going to save my Photoshop file and move over to InDesign. I'm going to create a new InDesign file, place my Photoshop file inside, and click Save. Lastly, I'm going to export a PDF of this InDesign document to my desktop. Now let's go back over to Flow. I left the Flow application window open while I did my work, but you don't have to do that. Flow will perform the same even if it's closed and reopened later. We can see that the Illustrator file and the Photoshop file are here like they were before, but there's now a line between the two files indicating a relationship between them. That relationship is based on the copy and paste I did between those two files. Obviously these two files are related because I used them together, but neither the operating system nor the Adobe applications actually understands that the files are related. This is precisely what Flow is about. Flow tracked the relationships, saved it, and shows me the relationships right here in the map. There's also a new InDesign node that was added to the map. This node is here because I told Flow to watch this folder and show me any new files that are created in the folder. Remember? And because I clicked the Include All File Relationships button in the Options overlay, I can see this PDF file even though it's not stored in my watched folder. It's still a part of the project, so the link is shown. As you continue to work normally, your map will start to grow automatically and invisibly, and you'll have immediate access to crucial information on the inner relationships and interdependencies of files in the project quickly and easily. This will help you know how your files are related and how your work is related to other projects and to other files that you get from other people. Finally, you can see exactly how your work impacts others and how their work impacts you. No other product gives this important information, and it's all done using a completely free application. To see even more of the power of Flow, see our video on collaboration, which will help you share this project and work with other users. Visit gridironsoftware.com to download your free copy of Flow 2.0 Essentials today.